Hey guys, OMG. Guys, I'm not even gonna lie, your girl is feeling herself just a little bit. I don't have enough time to talk to you about how much I'm feeling myself. I'm just gonna show you. Stay tuned. Alright guys, now enough of my shenanigans and foolishness. Welcome back to my channel. So let's get into why we're here, okay? This unit that I am rocking is from Zury Hollywood. Zury Hollywood. Really? So you can possess this kind of magic. Look at, like, I'm just chilling, and it's just doing its own little vivacious layering, giving, just giving vibes. This wig is too much, okay?
You too, nigga. Yo, you too, nigga.
Okay, her name is BIZ, and obviously it was sent to me from Zury Hollywood. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. I love it. I love it. When I first saw the color, I loved it, but I didn't know, like, how bomb this wig is going to be. So let me get into the specs and just get right to it to tell you everything that's going on. This is BIZ. Her name is BIZ. The full name is PM-LFP Lace BIZ, but her name is BIZ, B-I-Z. And the color that I'm rocking, this yummy color here, is SOMBRE Latte Blonde. This is a prime human hair natural mix. It feels like yaki. Like this hair feels real, okay? And I'm going to try to sum this up because I'm also going to show you guys how I style this or customize it to make it for me. But I really didn't have to do any work at all. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and show you that right now. And then when you come back, we're going to talk. Alright you guys, so the wig came packaged in this pretty box and it looks like so. It has so much lace because it's a 13 by 4 inch ear-to-ear free parting hand-tied lace. It has 3 combs and an adjustable strap, and as you can see here, you literally can part this thing from ear to ear. It gave so much life. I didn't have to do anything. I had to do nothing to this wig. It literally comes ready to go. All I needed to do was add some baby hairs to make it more realistic, well, the hairline more realistic, and then cut off the lace and put it on my head. All right, so do you see all the hard work I had to do to make this wig fine? Guys, I had to do basically nothing except for cut some baby hairs and make sure I customize the hairline just a little bit to give myself a nice hairline. It's ready to go. I love it. What? I'm going out this weekend. This wig is going everywhere with me. Think I'm playing. I'm gonna get some more. Matter of fact, I feel like Zury, I don't know how y'all feeling, but I feel like it's giveaway time. I feel like my subscribers they deserve to go in to the new year rocking this wig right here. Might not like this color. It might have to be 1B whatever, but I'm thinking Zury Hollywood, and you let me know. I mean, I like to speak stuff into existence. That's just me. I just feel like it's time for a giveaway, Zury. And this unit is a giveaway wig. I'm just saying. So, let's work it out. Honestly, you guys, even if Zury does not agree to do this, I'm going to have to cop one of these and do a giveaway. You deserve this wig. You guys gave me an amazing 2017, and 2018 is kicking, and I want to kick it off right. I want to show my appreciation. So I'm going to try to work this out because I feel like one of y'all deserve this wig. All right, you guys. So I'm so happy that you guys were tuned in again for another video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hopefully, stay tuned and make sure you hit that notification bell so if I do a giveaway, you catch it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay royal.